This is a BT 5.3 wireless Bluetooth adapter. After installing the Bluetooth adapter on my PC, Bluetooth is not showing up on my PC. If Bluetooth is not visible on the PC after connecting the Bluetooth adapter, let's see how to fix it. First, unplug the adapter from here and plug it into a USB 2.0 port on the PC. After plugging it into a USB 2.0 port, go to your PC. If Bluetooth is not visible on the PC even after plugging the adapter into the USB 2.0 port, go to Device Manager. Right-click on the Windows icon. Go to Device Manager. Check the Bluetooth option. If the Bluetooth adapter is disabled, re-enable the Bluetooth adapter from here. Sometimes even after installing the Bluetooth adapter, Bluetooth is not visible on the PC because it is disabled from here. Bluetooth will now show up on the PC after enabling it from here. Bluetooth is now visible on the PC. Now you can share files via Bluetooth on PC.